During phone calls placed or received through your vehicle's Bluetooth hands-free phone system, the person on the other end of the call may hear an echo of his or her own voice. Follow these steps to help minimize any echoing that the person on the other end of the call hears. For safety purposes, these steps should not be performed while your vehicle is being driven. First, make sure your smartphone is up to date and using the manufacturer's latest operating system. Next, make a phone call using the Bluetooth hands-free function. After a connection is established with the recipient, set the volume on your smartphone to its highest setting. Next, adjust the volume of your vehicle speakers to level 45 or lower using the volume adjustment knob or the steering wheel controls in your vehicle. If the echo remains for the recipient, continue reducing the volume of your vehicle speakers. These volume settings will remain in place for future hands-free phone calls, but they may be undone if your phone is paired to a new head unit, a phone update occurs, or your phone is unpaired and repaired to your vehicle. If that occurs, repeat these steps. For more information, please visit toyota.com/connected services.